Connector boots pre-assembling. Cable sheath stripping. Connector parts pre-assembling. Ferrule glue injection. Fiber coating stripping. Bare fiber cleaning with alcohol. Connector parts assembling. Spring, ferrule and housing. Glued ferrule heating by curing oven. Connector housing and boot mounting. Quad step ferrule and face polishing. End face microscopic inspection. Insert loss and return loss testing. End face ray inspection before packing. Finished products packing. Finished products palleting.